Hello, welcome to BMAX Info Channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove system cache, free up a lot of space from your computer, and make your Windows to function better. And the first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows search bar. Type Run, and when that pops up, you have to type in Prefetch, just as shown on the screen. Click OK, and that will bring up the list of temporary folders and files, often called cache, that you need to delete. Just press Ctrl-A on your keyboard and select all of them and right-click on your mouse to delete all. This will instantly free a lot of space in your Windows and make your computer to work faster and better. When Skip pops up, just click on it, keep on clicking on Skip until all these temporary files and folders, or cache, are deleted, and once you are done with that, you can restart your system. Let me show you another important tip you can also try. There are several of them in the playlist. Feel free to check them out, but I want to show you about 3 tips so that you can make your choice. But I believe this first one will work for you. So you have to close your Windows here, then go to your Windows search bar, type Run as you did before, and click OK. And when Run pops up, type in Temp. Temp stands for temporary file or folder. Just click on it, and this will bring up the list of all temporary files and folders generated by your system every second. These are stored within your hard drive, and they hinder your system performance. As you can see, there are several of them, and these are generated every now and then. So what you have to do is to go to your keyboards and press Ctrl-A to select all of them at once, and then right-click on your mouse to delete them. Just keep on pressing Skip when it pops up until all of them are deleted. If any of them refuses to go after clicking Skip about 4 times, it means your system is still using that. So that's how to go about it. And once you're done with this, close the windows and restart your system, and I bet you it's going to be faster. Let me show you also the third tip. Go to your Windows search bar, type Run as you did before, and when Run pops up, just type in %temp % as shown on the screen. And this will bring up the list of temporary folders generated by the apps installed and running in your system.
Your system generates a lot of cache, a lot of temporary files and folders while they run. So there are several of them, too many, and these are generated every second, and they really affect your system performance negatively. So what you have to do is to go to your keyboard, press Ctrl-A to select all of them, and then right-click on your mouse to delete all these temporary folders. And once you are done deleting them, just like I said earlier, your system is going to be lighter and is going to work more efficiently this time around. It could take several minutes for the temporary folders to be completely deleted, but just allow the whole process to go on, and I bet you your system is going to come back to life. Just allow the system to complete the deleting process, and then once you're done with that, close the windows and restart your system. And before I show you this final but important tip, I would want to appeal to you to subscribe, like, and share our videos if you are really benefiting from these tips. Your support will greatly motivate us to do more. And let me show you the final one, which is very important. This will really help with your C drive performance. Just go to your Windows search bar and type Run as you did before. And when that pops up, you have to type in CleanMG and then click OK. And this will take you to your C drive. This will open your C drive. C drive is the engine house of your PC, and regular maintenance helps it run your PC smoothly. Check out my playlist on how to use run commands to repair and flush your Windows PC. So here you will see the list of folders and the spaces they are occupying in your drive. Just go through the contents and see the spaces occupied by each folder. The lower the memory space left, the lower the performance of the drive. For instance, my recycle bin is occupying almost 1.7 gig and I need to empty it. I need to clean it off to get more space. How do you do that? Just check the box behind any folder you want to delete. You can see how I'm doing it. Just check the recycle bin or any other folder with large space you want to delete. Select the box and click OK down here, and it will automatically delete or empty that particular folder or file occupying the space in your C drive. This will make your system to come back to life. That is how to go about it, and once you are done with this, make sure to restart your system. And before I close on this, I would like to appeal to you to subscribe to this channel if this really helped you out. Many people usually forget to subscribe after learning and applying these tips to solve their PC issue. That is really discouraging. Subscribe and also share your comments at the comment section. That will really help us to put up more videos of this nature. Thanks.